Penyampaian anugerah Dr. Mohan.
Dr. Mohan Award Giving.
Anugerah berprestij Dr. Mohan adalah anugerah tertinggi yang diberikan kepada pelajar Kolej ICAN. Anugerah Dr. Mohan diberikan kepada graduan harapan dan paling cemerlang yang dikenali di Kolej ICAN. Seseorang yang mempunyai prestasi cemerlang dan kemampuan untuk membuat perubahan di dalam mana-mana bidang profesional yang diceburi dan seterusnya menyumbang terhadap kemajuan negara secara berterusan. Penerima anugerah Dr. Mohan ini dipilih atas usaha dalam perkhidmatan, keprihatinan dalam kepimpinan, komitmen sosial, pendekatan secara jujur, integrasi nasional dan khidmat masyarakat di luar panggilan tugas. Penerima anugerah Dr. Mohan akan menerima sebuah trofi dan ganjaran wang dari Lembaga Pengelola Kolej ICAN.
The prestigious award, The prestigious Dr. Mohan Award is the highest honor bestowed on a student at ICAN College. This award is granted for the most promising and outstanding talent identified and discovered at ICAN College. One who has great potential and ability to make material change to the profession they are attached to, eventually leading to nationwide development and progress. The recipient of Dr. Mohan Award is selected on the basis of service effort, compassionate leadership, social commitment, honest persuasion, national integration, and community service beyond the call of duty. The recipient of Dr. Mohan Award will receive a trophy and monetary reward from the Board of Governors of ICAN College.
Yang berhormat Datuk Seri Dr. S. Subramaniam, Menteri Kesihatan Malaysia, Majlis dengan segala hormatnya mempersilakan Yang berhormat Datuk Seri untuk menganugerahkan anugerah Dr. Mohan kepada graduan Kolej ICAN yang dipilih.
Yang berhormat Datuk Seri Dr. S. Subramaniam, Honorable Minister of Health Malaysia, we cordially invite Yang berhormat Datuk Seri to award this prestigious award to the selected graduate of ICAN College.
Anugerah Dr. Mohan diberikan kepada
Dr. Mohan Award is awarded to Siti Ilmi Zahra binti Ali Akbar.
Majlis mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada Yang berhormat Datuk Seri Dr. S. Subramaniam.
Thank you, Yang berhormat Datuk Seri Dr. S. Subramaniam. Speech by Dr. Mohan Awards recipient.
Salam hormat dan selamat pagi. Saya ucapkan kepada Yang berhormat Datuk Seri Dr. S. Subramaniam, Menteri Kesihatan Malaysia, Lembaga Pengarah dan Lembaga Pengelola ICAN College, tetamu-tetamu kehormat, ibu bapa dan para graduan sekalian. Nama saya Siti Ilmi Zahra binti Ali Akbar. Saya amat terharu kerana diberi peluang untuk memberi sepatah dua kata dari buah fikiran saya, serta saya ingin berterima kasih kepada Kolej ICAN. Selari dengan inisiatif Kolej ICAN untuk membolehkan para graduan lebih fasih dalam bahasa Inggeris agar menjadi rakyat yang lebih kompetitif di era globalisasi ini, maka izinkan saya meneruskan ucapan saya ini dalam bahasa Inggeris. It is a matter of immense pleasure and humility for me to accept the Dr. Mohan Award, our founding father. May his soul rest in peace. I would like to thank the Board of Governors and Management of ICAN College as well as parents and lecturers for putting up with us for the past 3 years. Without your support, none of us would have come this far. None of this would have been possible with the single-minded commitment, dedicated care, and support of all staff and lecturers, management included. This is it. 3 years of being in ICANN, sharing the good times, the bad times, sharing some memorable and some unmentionable experiences. The moment has come to say goodbye. It is time for the graduating batch to part ways. Yes, ICANN has been more than a place to learn. For many graduates, it has been a place to grow and mature in so many ways, and a place to build memories. Words don't come easy to me when it comes to an occasion like this. An episode of my life is over, and perhaps one of the most important and memorable one, my schooling life. It seemed like it was just yesterday that I stepped in a lecture hall that was full of strangers. I could still remember all our faces gleaming with excitement. The graduating batch has a cute pattern, which was, we always complain about everything when it first started, but the satisfaction and happiness when we achieve it was worth all the hard work. To the batch of Nursing July 2010, even though we were a small batch, but we were a family, and I am proud to be part of this. Without all of you, it would never be the same. I am so glad to have met all of you, even though some of us are not exactly close. College life is the time where we create the best memories in our life, and we did. So, what's next? None of us know what the world has in store for any of us. Although I am feeling a little unsure about it, but I know I am ready for any challenges that is waiting for me in the future. This confidence came from the lecturers and CIs at ICANN College. I would like to say a big thank you to all the lecturers that had been helping us tirelessly and standing by our side, hand in hand since the very beginning. Puan Noraini Nain, thank you for letting me enroll in the nursing program. Without this opportunity, I would never be who I am today. Puan Kamaria, we appreciate and look up to you as a guiding light of patience and tolerance. Mr. Ganesh, you might look tough and scary, but we all know that deep down inside you have our best interests at heart. To all the juniors at ICANN College, I would like to give you a piece of advice. Enjoy your college life to the fullest and study smart. Participate in everything when you have the chance. You will appreciate it in the future. Allow me to speak in my native language. I am from Sabah. This is a message to my father who is here today and to my late mother. May her soul rest in peace. Baba, terima kasih kerana mendidik kami dari kecil hingga dewasa. Jasa Baba tidak dapat dibalas dengan apa-apa pun. Walaupun kami membesar tanpa kasih sayang seorang ibu sejak berumur 9 tahun, tetapi kami bersyukur kerana masih ada Baba dan adik-beradik yang menjaga kami. Al-Fatihah untuk arwah Mama dan semoga dicucuri rahmat. This is for both of you, Baba. To my fellow graduates, I would like to wish you all the best of luck and end this with a famous Malaysian pantun. After all, we are Malaysians first. Tahun 2008 titik bermula, College ICANN mengorak langkahnya, ingin melahirkan pelajar berjaya, berbudi bahasa, berakhlak mulia. Staf ICAN amat berdedikasi, sentiasa bersedia menabur budi. Jasa pengorbanan amat dihargai, menjadi kenangan kekal abadi. 3 tahun belajar di rantauan, ibu bapa menanti penuh kesabaran. Kini mereka tersenyum kebanggaan, melihat anak beroleh kejayaan. Hari convocation tibalah sudah, semua yang hadir terukir senyuman. Kerana di hati sangat gembira, sijil diploma menjadi genggaman. Thank you.